Airfield inspections suffer from a decentralized paper-based workflow that allows for multiple points of failure and inefficiencies. Pavement defects are recorded manually, and 20 to 30% of the time is wasted on communication between operations and repair services. Spiral proposes Spector, a one-stop solution to capture all inspection and maintenance data on a digital twin of the airfield and present it on a user-friendly dashboard. Spector allows to geospatially tag discrepancies for evaluation on a map in real time. The augmented reality interface generates lat-long coordinates automatically, increasing accuracy of the inspection.
All information is reflected on the interactive maps, letting the management track conditions of all the FAA Part 139 categories such as paved areas, markings, or signs. Next, Spector helps to monitor the lifecycle of the work order, integrating with CityWorks and other outside maintenance platforms. Wildlife logs and other checklists are accessible from the tablet or phone app. Want to learn more about how to increase your airfield inspection efficacy? Book a call with Spiral today.